What's good, Gromies? Welcome back to We Pop Gardening. Today's episode is going to be a little bit different for y'all. I had a company reach out because they want a good, honest review on a light, and they are getting into the grow side here. Spoke to a lot of you guys about doing a budget grow, and a lot of people were curious about it. So this is from Metry Grow. This is a 100-watt light. This is hangable. You can link up to 20 of them. I have not opened this box yet, y'all. So I wanted to give you guys a full review on it. We aren't after views on this. The company just wanted me to tell them my first take on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this, but I wanted you guys to see it firsthand. So I thought this would be a great thing to do a budget grow as far as a single light. And all y'all that have been here know that those Grow Peaceful buckets I'm always talking about, you can run those inside, outside, don't matter, wherever. So when they hit me up on this, I kind of thought it was perfect timing, because man, what if you could just stage a light in your room somewhere in the corner and run a Grow Peaceful bucket? I mean, you spend $100 on a light, and you buy your Grow Peaceful bucket, save 10% with We Pop Gardening, and you know, you got a grow going on. All you're doing is adding water and running it. But I want to see what these lights can do, so I want to show you guys what's up and let y'all see what comes in this pack. So again, I have not opened this. It came in a different box for shipping, obviously, but wanted you guys to see firsthand what it is and my initial response, because that's what I told the company I would do. So Metry Grow is the brand name on this, and it looks like a full spectrum light. Yeah, see? So base option for a stand, or you can hang it in your grow tent, which I could put it in a 3x3 over there if I wanted to, but I think I'm gonna just put it out here in the room and watch it grow. So obviously you got instructions here, which is nice. I seen actual instructions, unlike most things you get these days. Can't ever tell what you're doing unless you're looking at a picture and guessing. Wow, that's super light. All right, fam. So let's open this up here. So right off the top, it's plastic. No judgment. It's got a good silicone base here, similar to other lights that I use here in the garden. That's a way of dissipating heat and absorbing it, so that's a bonus. I see the ballast back here. I'm curious how hot it's gonna run. Comes with hangers, obviously, so you can latch in and hang it in your little tents if you want. And then I assume that this is for my mount. Now I gotta be honest, with cell phones and such, I never had much luck with these. I always break them, but this is super light, so maybe it'll hold up. We'll see. We'll get that set up over there in the corner and just kind of check it out. I do think this is kind of cool because I did a little research on it before it got here, and you can control the whole spectrum on it. So this is one of the controllers. Obviously you got Wi-Fi adaptability, which is freaking cool. And I like how these light companies are headed that direction. It's pretty sweet. Assuming this is going to give me access on the app to let me see everything going on and what it's putting out and all that, but I'll get into that here shortly. Just wanted to kind of open this up and see what we got in here. So you got the light, you got your controller, we got connectors, and power cords, obviously, extra hanger in case you decide to go that route. I'm assuming these are click-in little handles for moving it and adjusting it. See how that works. Oh yeah, okay, sweet. So yeah, like I said, it comes with an adjustable base, y'all. This is kind of cool. Like, give you some adaptability for growing inside your house. If you don't have a grow tent, I think that's kind of slick. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it real because I told them I would. I'm not sure what a 100-watt light's gonna do. I am familiar with the Osram technology. And that's the full spectrum of the red, the blues, pinks, all of it in one. So it could very well turn out to be a banging light, you know, for really inexpensive, like I mentioned. So you got the mounts, they come with bars, and I would assume this is a weighted plate to hold everything with. So when I get done with this grow, because I do have tents and stuff, I'm gonna actually put this thing on my money tree, because me and the wife got a money tree growing, and I think this will come in handy in the winter time. So dual purpose, you know what I mean? So it's kind of slick. But yeah, this is the base for it. We're just gonna end up mounting it all together here, and then we'll check it out. But currently, right off the top, it seems inexpensive. I'll say that. I know that everybody's trying to cut costs. 100-watt light for electricity won't pull much if you can actually get the production out of it. Then it's definitely worth it, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna go ahead and get this put together here, and then we'll get a Grow Peaceful bucket under there and see what she can do. All right, Growmy. So I got the corner set up over here, and I got that Grow Peaceful bucket. Put a mirror behind there just so I get some reflection on that backside, and the reflective mylar base for the 3x3. Just to hold the water in case we got spills or boo-boos or doo-doos or whatever. So anyway, I wanted to show y'all this. Check that out, y'all. So this is all blue light. This light's super cool. It will switch from red all the way to blue. You got full color spectrum, all three, white, blue, and red. Which kind of blew my mind. Downloaded the app, and I'll get into that here, but I just wanted to show you guys this. This is crazy. So I'm gonna get my other phone set up here, and I'll show you guys the variations on this light, which I think is pretty awesome for $100. All right, y'all. So you download the app, Metry Grow. Connect your Wi-Fi. There's a button on there. You press and hold it. Super easy, super simple. So this is my light. It's got it connected. Day one switch on. You can control it here. I can turn it off from wherever I'm at. Custom spectrum. This is what I want to show y'all. So you can adjust this down to where the blue light basically renders, right? It's low. Or I can increase it to 50%. But then this is what I was trying to say, like the red light, you can control the red light to just run the whole red spectrum if you want to. And then everything blends. You can run all white. Like, it's a pretty slick light here, y'all. So thoroughly impressed me. I can't even lie. So obviously, then you got your blurple, but you can peg them all out here, and you're still running the red, blue, and obviously the white. So I think that's pretty amazing. I actually was just talking about having control of red and blue spectrum on lights. And here I am, found one for $100 that controls it all. Granted, it's only 100 watts, so we're gonna see what it does. But I just wanted to show y'all this and let you guys see some of the cool features on here. It's got plant day, like day one. This will allow you to schedule adjustments and turn the light on and off at a certain period of time. The LED schedule runs in a 24-hour format, so military time, which I think is pretty cool. There is a way to just, you don't have to use the app. You could just run it. If you're going to run an autoflower, you could just run it 24 hours and just run it off that, because these controls, this is pretty slick too. The controls over here on this thing allow you to switch your brightness. So like if you just run it here, you can run it at 50%. Which I got it set on my thing, or on the app, so I can't actually adjust it here. I'll have to go back and turn the main off in my app, but I thought it was pretty cool. Metry Grow is kind of impressed me so far. I'm excited to see what kind of grow we're gonna get out of it. But stay tuned, fam. I'm gonna get this set up, and I told them I would run 2 videos, so I'm gonna run this grow and give you guys a seed to harvest on the rest. So if you're new to the channel, want to see how it turns out, smash the like, sub up if you're new, and hit the notification bell so you can see how it goes. Appreciate y'all as always. Much love, and until next time, peace.